I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to validate Excel data. First, select the cells you want to validate. Then, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Data Validation button within the Data Tools group. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can define your validation rules. This initial step is crucial for setting up a robust data entry system, ensuring your spreadsheets remain clean and reliable from the start. Once the data validation dialog box is open, you'll see three tabs: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. Under Settings, choose your validation criteria from the Allow drop-down. For example, you can select whole number and then set a between range, like from 1 to 100. You can also create a list for specific text options, ensuring users select only approved entries. This step is where you truly customize your data integrity. The Input Message tab allows you to display a helpful pop-up when a user selects a validated cell. This message can explain the expected data format, like enter a number between 1 and 10. On the Error Alert tab, you can define what happens if invalid data is entered. A stop alert prevents entry, while a warning allows it but notifies the user. Customizing these messages makes your spreadsheet much more user-friendly and error-resistant. For more advanced scenarios, the Custom option under Validation Settings lets you use formulas. This is powerful for ensuring unique entries or checking against other cells. Remember to apply validation to Excel tables. New rows will automatically inherit the rules, saving you time. Also, for those long days on your feet, comfort matters. Life's too short for cheap socks, so consider Darn Tough with their lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals we've found for you. Implementing these tips will significantly enhance your data quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.